Hi guys, Clara here, and today I'll be showing you how to make your own mini clay cow. To make things a bit easier, I prepped all the clay parts to give you an idea of what you'll need for this project. Let's first start by shaping the body. I'm rolling a white ball of clay between my hands to create more of a flat oval. Then I'm using the handle of a sculpting tool to make an indent across the clay to start defining the space between the back and the front legs. A pencil or the side of your finger can be used as well. Rotate your clay and indent the middle again to define the individual legs, pinching into shape as you go. I'm also using a ball-pointed tool to smooth the front and the back to create a nice rounded arch between the legs. So far, this is what my cow is looking like. Time to add some spots. I chose just to add black spots, but you can choose any color or colors that you like. If you want, you can even make a rainbow cow. The hardest part is deciding where you want to add the spots, but once you do, blend out the edges with a ball-pointed tool or your finger. With all the spots added, my cow now looks like this. Next, this is optional, but I decided my cow needed udders. If you don't want to add too many details, I would skip this and the horns. For the tail, a small ball of white clay is rolled out and a smaller ball of black clay is pinched before joining the two together. Mine was a bit too long, so I shortened the tail before adding and blending into the body. Another added detail you may wish to skip is adding the hooves. For this, I make an indent at the bottom of each leg that I then press a ball of black clay into. Flatten the hooves either with a tool or against a table, then add a notch at the front of each hoof to complete the look. With this, the body is now complete and we can move on to the head. Pinch a ball of white clay on one end, rotate, and pinch the same end again to create a slight teardrop shape. It should look something like this, with the narrow end being the lower half. Same as the body, add as many or as few spots as you want. I only added one spot for mine. For the nose and mouth, I add a small ball of pink clay to the bottom half of the face and press into place until thoroughly flattened. The ears are rolled out pieces of clay that have been flattened and pinched into teardrop shapes. Add these to each side of the head and blend in with the tiny ball-pointed tool. For the horns, tiny balls of brown clay are rolled out and pinched into cones, then placed above each ear at the top of the head. Blend in to secure in place. Next, we add indents for the eyes and larger indents for the nostrils. Then black clay to fill the eyes, and our head is now ready to attach to the body. I'm marking the spot on the body where I want the head to sit before I press it into place. The legs did get a bit squished trying to secure the head down, so I fixed up our lumpy cow off camera before sending them off to the oven. Once baked, we now have our own mini clay cow. So cute. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see me make. But other than that, hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!